Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll continue from our previous update to show all the new construction stages that have happened since then. Every week, the stadium keeps growing, and there's so much progress to see, from the north goal to the lateral sections and the south goal. We'll explore the cantilevers, braces, slabs, and all the ongoing work, giving you a clear view of how the stadium is shaping up step by step. So, let's dive in. One of the highlights today is the North Goal Corner's Eternal Diamond. After a long process, it has finally been concreted. The completed diamond offers an excellent perspective of this corner. Surrounding areas show mesh and railings installed along the stairs and upper sections. Workers are cleaning bolts and painting them with anti-rust coating to protect the structure. Moving over to the lateral area, there's been significant progress. Yesterday, there was no reinforcement on the slabs, but today, a large amount of reinforcement has been placed. Workers are preparing slabs, adding reinforcements, and organizing materials for the next concrete pours. The third cantilever on this side is now fully concreted, with panels being removed after completion. This area is moving quickly, and the next steps will involve slabs, separators, and reinforcement for the corners. Progress is also visible at the south goal. New braces are being installed, and the third cantilever is gradually taking shape. Concrete pumps are present but currently idle. At the stands, new brace connections are being fitted and bolts are tightened. Work is ongoing on pillars, walls, and prefabricated stairs for the third tier. Vertical support structures for safety nets are also being installed along the cantilever. The third tier on the lateral side is looking great. Panels are being placed, separators added, and concrete preparation is in progress. Around the corners, slabs are nearly complete, with reinforcement work continuing across all areas. The parking area is steadily taking shape and showing noticeable progress. Workers are carefully placing reinforcements and setting slabs in their designated spots, ensuring everything is aligned perfectly. Concrete pumps and platforms are active, moving materials across the site efficiently. You can see various sections being prepared for upcoming concrete pours, with separators and braces already in place. Materials are well organized on site, and workers are systematically working through each level. Step by step, this entire parking area is transforming from an empty space into a structured, solid section that will soon be fully functional, complementing the rest of the stadium's construction. The stadium is taking shape fast. From the north goal to the lateral sections and south goal, cantilevers, slabs, and braces are steadily coming together. Workers, platforms, and concrete pumps keep everything moving. From different angles, you can really see how quickly this massive project is growing. The north goal now features the completed Eternal Diamond. Lateral cantilevers are concreted, and corners are being reinforced. Separators and braces are being installed for upcoming concrete pours. Step by step, the stadium is gradually shaping up. That's all for today's construction update. The north goal, lateral sections, and south goal are all showing great progress, and it's amazing to see how the stadium is coming together step by step. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.